What is up guys? You may not believe this, but I haven't finished Metroid Prime 4 yet. Not because the game is bad, but because my Joy-Cons kept disconnecting. At first I thought the Joy-Cons were the problem, so I cleaned the contacts to remove any dirt or oil. And that didn't fix it. So I bought a brand new pair of Joy-Cons, and that didn't fix it either. We are going to replace the Joy-Con rails on the Nintendo Switch that are worn out. Before we start, you'll need a tri-point screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, precision tweezers, and the Joy-Con rail replacements. I will leave an affiliate link down below where you can get all the supplies. Let's begin. First things first, let's remove the SD card and the game cartridge. Then remove the 4 tri-point screws on the back. Next, remove the top screw, the 2 bottom screws, and the screw near the micro SD card slot with a Phillips screwdriver. Also remove the center screw on the right and left sides of the console. Now let's open it up. Remove the 7 screws holding the metal shield, then lift it off. Remove the SD card reader and disconnect the battery with a plastic pry tool. Now disconnect the right Joy-Con ribbon cable. Then remove the side screws holding the rail in place. Lift the old rail out, install the new one, and reconnect the ribbon cable. Now let's move on to the left rail. Remove the 4 screws on the left side, disconnect the ribbon cable, and what you will notice is this one runs underneath the motherboard, so you need to remove the 3 screws and loosen the board so you can slide the ribbon out. Install the new rail, route the ribbon cable under the board, and reconnect it. Now it's time to reassemble. Reconnect the battery, reinstall the metal shield, make sure the micro SD card is aligned properly, then snap it back into place. Finally, reinstall the back panel screws, and that's it. Now I can finally go back and finish Metroid Prime 4 without my Joy-Cons disconnecting. Before we wrap it up, come join my community. We have over 30,000 gamers achievement hunting and join multiplayer matches. For more details, visit FrodoFraggins.com. See you in the next video.